Hello, this is Inspiredfingers.net once more. My name is Joshua Poso, and today I'm going to be showing you a song by Micheal W. And the title of the song is Healing Rain is Falling Down. A very, very easy and nice song, okay, that you can play at any time. Okay, I love the song. The song gives me more inspiration at Inspired Fingers. Okay, sorry, it's not like somebody is sick that needs the healing, but anything can be healed, whether it's your job or your I don't care what it is, your education, everything can be healed by God. All right, so that's just basically the reason why the song actually touched me. All right, so I just want you to learn it today. And in recent times, sorry, let me address something. In recent times, I've been getting some messages and feedbacks from viewers, my esteemed viewers, that Joshua, you show us songs, okay, but why don't you show us those extra stuffs you do, okay, so that we play like you will play like the pro will play. Sorry, I'm not a pro. Let me make it very clear to you. I'm not even advanced yet, okay. I'm still in between that beginner stroke intermediate level, okay. But I know if I say I'm a beginner, you might say, Joshua, you're lying. Okay, so let me just say I'm in the early stage, or at the early stage of being an intermediate player. All right, so that's just basically it. And please take note, most of the things I play are from those fragments that I show you. Okay, I'm not playing something different, totally different. I mean, I just add those pieces together and form something out of creativity and the rest. So once you're able to get my concept, I'm not saying you should be stuck with my concept, but once you are able to get my concepts, the way I reason in music, the way I add those fragments, those little things I break down for you, if you're able to get it, I don't see anything that's so difficult in the rest that I do play at the end. Okay, so just have that at the back of your mind. I'm not playing something totally different. It's just based on the fragments of the stuff that I know already, and I'm showing you as we progress. Okay, so from time to time you'll also be getting some of the white chords, okay, as I put them together, so you'll be able to see them. And please always pause, rewind my videos, pause and rewind them, okay, so that you can get those chords in real time if you like them. All right, so thank you. I believe I've said so much and it's already 3 minutes. All right, so the song I want to show you today, and sorry for the glasses, okay, I'm just trying to be different here, okay, because I'm actually different. So so the song, okay, that's what I wanted to say, by Micheal W. Healing Rain is Falling Down. It's a very easy song, and it's done in the key of B flat, or the audio I heard though was done in the key of B flat. Okay, so the key of B flat has just two flats as its key signature, which is the B flat and the E flat, which are the 1 and the 4 respectively. So the B flat, why am I calling it E flat? Sorry, the B flat major scale goes like this. B flat is the 1, C is the 2, D is the 3, E flat is the 4, F is the 5, G is the 6, A is the 7, and B flat is the 1. All right, so the song goes from let me just play it the normal way anybody would just play it. It goes from the 1, rain is falling down, to the 7 or the 5. Here the rain is falling down. 6, okay, I'm not afraid. Then to the 4, I'm not afraid. Okay, so that's 4 again. Here the rain is falling down. Here the rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. All right, so that's just the whole song. 1, 7 to the 6, 6, 4. All right, so that's how it goes. All right, so but on the 7 I like doing the 5 over the 7, okay, so that it sounds a little bit nice. Then let me just play it once, like with a loop, so that you can just hear it in real time. Hear the rain is falling down, and hear the afraid. Let's play it like the rock way. The rain is falling down. The rain is falling down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's the rock way. 1. So the 7. I'm calling the progression. 6. That's just it. All right, so remember 1 to the 5 over the 7 and to the 6 over the 4. All right, I want to show you a different way of doing this. All right, so that you sound a little bit of sweet and smooth. So I can play something like this. Here the rain is falling down. Here the rain is falling down. Watch this. I'm not afraid. Not afraid. Again. The rain is falling down. The rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I hope you love that. Alright. So in the rain is falling down. There's another one. The rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. So let's do it with a beat again. The rain is falling down. The rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. The rain is falling down. The rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. Yes, Lord. Not afraid. All right, so that's just it. So let me break it down for you. I play the B flat suspended second chord on my right hand while playing the root and the fifth on my left hand. Okay, that's the B flat and the F. Okay, then I go to the 7. Okay, and the 7 is just an A, F, G on my left hand while I'm playing this on my right hand. That's the F sus2 chord, but actually it's the C sus4 chord. I'm just doubling the C and putting it up there. Okay, so if you want to remove it like this, it should just be the normal F sus2 chord. Okay, and like this. But if you double it, it turns to the C sus2 chord. So sorry, C sus4 chord. Okay, just a doubled roots there. All right, but right now F is the root, so we tend to even call it the F sus2 chord here. All right, then but this is a full chord here. All right, so I love this so much. I love this so much. And this is the G minor 7 sharp 5. Okay, so what I'm just doing is playing this on my left hand. Okay, that's a E flat add2. All right, but you know, the fifth is not there, so just, you know, spell by the notes you see. I don't like calling the clusters every time. All right, I don't like calling the chords every time though, because I just believe you can see it from different approach. So you look at this is a G, E flat and the F there. Then you play the B flat sus4 chord. Okay, that's the B flat sus4 chord, just like we did for the C sus4 chord. Like, you know, we removed, we just added this. Okay, so this is the B flat sus4 chord. So on my right hand while I'm playing this on my left hand. Okay, and this is the 6th chord. Then for the 4th chord, so I'm just playing the E flats, B flat and the E flat on my left hand while playing this on my right hand, which is the F sus4 chord, which is also the B flat sus2 chord here when you remove that note, that F note. Okay, because B flat right now can be called like the root of this right hand chord. Okay, but let's just keep it like this. It doesn't matter what we are looking, what we're looking at, but it's just the sound most especially. So that's it. There you have it. So let's go again. Here the rain is falling down. Here the rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Okay, I want to show you something extra. Healing rain is falling down. Healing rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. That's when you end the whole song. Okay, let me do that again. Healing rain is falling down, and healing rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. All right. So what was that? Okay, that was just going to the, actually I'm looking at it like I am playing the A flat here, which is the flat 7 of our major scale. That's B flat major scale. So I'm playing this. So I'm just playing the A flat major 7th chord, or major 9th chord. Yes, I have my 9th here. Okay, so then I'm just breaking it down. You understand? And I can see it from another way, like I'm playing threes. Normally, we're supposed to go to the 4. Not a okay. Here the rain is falling down. Here the rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Or this. Okay, remember it's the 4. Okay, so I can look at it like I'm playing the pentatonic scale of the 4th note here. Okay, so I'm saying E flat pentatonic scale. Remember, I put my pedal down, that red stuff you see in there, because I want it to resonate. Okay, that's without the pedal, but with the pedal it's sustained, it resonates. That's the effect I just want. Okay, but first of all, you make sure you hit this flat 7 here. All right, so I actually ripped that from one of my friends. Okay, he's my boss as well, so I heard that stuff and I said, wow, that's a nice ending that you can use. All right, so it's already 12 minutes and I don't want to keep you waiting. All right, I believe you'll have it already, so that's just basically it. So let's just have fun for the next before it gets to 13 minutes. It's falling down. I entered wrongly. Hear the rain is falling down. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. Hear the rain is falling down. Hear the rain is falling down. Watch it. I'm not afraid. Alright, I know I made a little bit of mistake there. So you hit that stuff. Why am I making mistake? Is it because it's fast? Okay, but well, that's just it though. That's just it. All right, so don't want to keep this video so long. Bye.